different I expected. That's they handle different in a better way than I expected.
Most people shoot them very well.
Yeah, that is absolutely incredible.
Same great PPQ trigger.
Yeah, I love that.
The standard model will ship with white dot, one flush mag, and one 15-round extended mag. The LE version will get you phosphorus sights, one flush mag, one finger extension mag, and one 15-round mag.
What's the approximate retail they're looking at for this? LE.
You know, LE, it's only about $30 more. Really? So it's the deal of the between the two packages, but $649 MSRP.
Oh, that's a great price. Okay, yeah, I really like that. That shot very smoothly. I love that PPQ trigger.
Yeah,
that's my favorite. The Q4 have that as well?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's a standard PPQ trigger.
That is a shooter.
Yes, it is.
That's a beautiful thing.
It will ship with all the same optics plates as the Q5. It'll come out of the box with this LPA brand windage and elevation adjustable sight. It'll ship with a plate for the Trigicon, a plate for the Vortex, and a plate for the loophole.
That is a package. I'll tell you, Walther's really upped their game.
Absolutely.
They are a true contender. I love the front optics, or the front sight. I think that's absolutely incredible. This is nice too. Wow, what a package. Well done.